Okay, I've had a chance to work on your design, and I will walk you through it. So this is a base cabinet with a drawer and a door, dishwasher, wall cabinet, 27 wide sink base cabinet to accommodate a very standard, I think it was 21 or 22 wide undermount sink. That's the interior dimension. They make larger sinks, a little larger, so you can probably, like I said, buy a sink that's 2 inches less than the cabinet itself, which this cabinet is 27 wide, so 25. So the sink shouldn't be, overall width of the sink shouldn't be more than 25 inches. This is a base pull-out. Let me show you what that looks like. Might be able to just hit this button. You can see the trays in there. These are adjustable trays. And I can show you what it looks like, I think, with it open. Let's open it up a little bit more. Let's back it off a little bit, something like that. So you can see it right there, opened up in the trays. Let's hit OK. And let's turn that around. See how that works. Let's close that back up. Then next to it is a super lazy Susan. Let's take a look at this cabinet. Inside are 2 roll-out trays, not roll-out trays, they're 2 spinning trays. These trays are 32 inches in diameter. They spin independently. Now, the only thing about this cabinet you might not like, because I don't think you like the bifold door on the wall cabinet, but this is a bifold door. I'm going to try and open the door now. So that swings open, and that swings open. I have one in my own house, and I don't think it's that bad. You get used to it. But in order to get the super lazy Susan, they'll have this on a bifold door, and the trays would be 32 inches. Now, I can get a door where it pushes in. I'm not as big of a fan. We call those finger pinchers. You get your fingers stuck in there. But then there would be trays that I think are 28 inches in diameter. So they're smaller trays, and the whole thing pushes around. So there's a couple of ways of doing this, but I will probably, anytime I'm in the corner, I'm recommending this setup, the super lazy Susan. At the moment, I've done the blind corner wall cabinet setup. You can see the blind right here. So this is a cabinet that would open and swing to the right. This is a cabinet here where the door would swing to the left. Then we have the microwave over the stove, bank of 4 drawers. We're giving the refrigerator a built-in look with panels on either side, and a cabinet above it that is not quite flush. I can't do it flush to the doors, depending on what refrigerator you buy, but this is currently a counter depth refrigerator in here in the plan. If you wanted a full-size refrigerator, then that would look a little on the bulky side, given the size of the room, and I'd have to increase the depth of these panels, which is fine, but I think the space would look better with a counter depth refrigerator, 36 inches wide. And on the island, I've got a double trash pull out here with a working drawer. Another cabinet here with a working drawer and two doors. Behind these two doors are roll-out trays. This is where your pot and pans would go. Then I have a wainscot panel. So this is 24 deep storage right here. I've got more storage here. That is 12 inches deep. And I've flushed the toe kick to give it a more furniture look. Yeah, these cabinets aren't going to be as easy to get into because of the countertop overhang I have, which I have here and I have here. But I think you have the depth in the room to support this extra storage. You're going to put things in here that are more seasonal or things that you don't use as often. Then I finished the thought with another wainscot panel on the refrigerator side of the island. Then I have crown molding touching the ceiling. You can see that. So that is the general design of the kitchen. If you want the trash cabinet and if you want these two cabinets swapped, we can. That's no problem. Moving the trash cabinet over here, and then the roll-out tray cabinet would be here. Might make sense to do that since it's closer to the stove. Let me know if you like this setup, have questions, or want to see what your options are.